I just got done putting my 457 in the new chassis. It was pretty easy. It just took a couple screws and it just popped right out of this old stock here. I mean, this one's nice, but it doesn't have any cheek riser or adjustable anything. You know we had to upgrade it. Let me tell you what. This screw right here that goes on the buttstock was such a pain in the butt because you literally had to get an Allen wrench, not this small obviously, and you needed a big one. Let me see if I can get a good angle of this. I mean, it's a pretty big screw, but you needed to get it in there and tighten it. And you only have a little hole, like 2-finger width, so it's very hard to get in there. You can see me struggling with it. How do you tighten that? But I did end up getting it. It wants me to torque it to 45 foot-pounds. I don't know how I'm going to do that because I can't get my torque wrench in there. So I'm going to have to figure that out. I also put on this Area 419 30 MOA rail. I'll show how to install now. I got my Area 419 scope rail, 30 MOA, that I'm going to be putting on my CZ457. So you have to loosen these little nuts here so it can slide on. And the level goes on the back. It should just slide right on there. Needs to be a little looser. Takes a little bit of oomph to get it on there. And that's it. And then you just tighten these up. This grip was a little hard. I will show you how to install it. So this is how you install the MDT Vertical Grip Premier Standard. So it comes with this block that goes in between here, in between the grip, just like that. So you need to put this block on first, and it is a little pain in the butt. Just have to force it a little bit. Then it comes with this big screw with a washer. You just slide it down into the hole there. Start tightening it up. Just give it a couple ooga-doogas. Goes over it. It comes with a couple extra screws here. With some nuts. really loosen the screws to be able to bring it back and forth and have it adjust. But that's it. That's all you have to do. And I'm definitely going to need a bigger barrel because that's a pretty big gap. Definitely want a thicker barrel. But yeah, there it is. Looking pretty good so far. I have the MDT bipod on there. I can't recommend this thing enough. It's the Wheeler torque wrench. It's actually pretty nice. Comes with a nice hard case and some bits. Very simple. You just pull this down, turn it, and it goes up or down. But I'm definitely not sponsored by these guys. It's just a nice torque wrench. I also have their leveling kit for scopes. When I get my new scope, I'll show you how that works. But that's the build so far. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you in the next one. Later.